The JavaScript Intl object is the API you'll use for all of your internationalization needs, allowing the engine to take care of handling the locale. This object exports a few constructors that help you achieve different internationalization tasks. Let's first create a function that will set up a formatter object based on the Intl datetype format. This function accepts one argument that identifies the locale that will be passed down to the datetime format constructor. The Intl object is globally available, giving you access to all its constructors. Now, let's format the date like USA users do. First, create a variable, get the formatter from the previous function, and pass down the corresponding locale. This is n-us. Call the format method that accepts a value, in this case, a date. Let's console log this and you can see the usual date format: month, day, year. Now, let's try to get the same, but for Spanish. Create the variable, call the formatter with the es-es locale, and format the value. Now, you can see that the output is different, but represent the same date, in this case as day, month, year. Let's check a couple of other languages, like German, by doing the same as before, but passing the de locale. And do the same for Arabic languages, passing the areg locale. You can see that the datetime format API will parse and format a day to display it based on user language identified by the locale. Every Intl constructor have a second optional argument that defines different options for formatting. Let's see some of them and how that affects the output of the format for the date you just wrote. You can set the year to be displayed as 2 digits. You can see the output here, only show the year. But also, you can set the month to be in a long format and the day to be numeric. Let's check the output of this and voila, different day formats. There are many other options that you can use. Check them out in the MDM docs to experiment with different date formats.